Hello everyone, welcome to Athi Tech, and in this video I'll show you guys how you can make a pressable image button in Android Studio. And we also made a similar video in the past, but it has some mistakes on it, so I have remade this video and I hope this will be more helpful for you guys. Actually, we have created two states of the button. One is for the default state of the button, one is for the pressed state of the button, and of course you guys can handle the designing according to that. And I have created two buttons, so I have total of 4 images. Once we created those images, we can just directly import them inside the resource manager. And once we done that, we can just go ahead and create an image button on our layout. Actually, I'm going to go with the simple design for now, but I will make the adjustments later on. And of course, I'm going to use the default image just for now, so it will be easier for me to adjust the layout stuff. But for now, it's going to be simple. Always try to use the constraint layout with your designs, so it will be more flexible with your all kinds of devices, such as larger devices, even for small devices. If you properly set that, it will be flexible with all of them. And I'm also going to do the same for the second image button. And this time also I'm going to pick a temporary image for this one, and just so it will be more easier for me to adjust. Now that we created our buttons, let me show you guys a preview for the current state of the button, and we will make the pressable button in a few moments. As you can see, we can actually able to press it. We can see that, but the image is not quite satisfying because we didn't even implemented the pressed state of the button yet. So let's do that, shall we? So in order to do this, we are going to create a drawable image button, and that contains 2 of these images that we imported inside the Android Studio. Total of 4 images, but generally one button have 2 images, such as press state and normal state of the button, right? So for the one pressable button, we will have 2 images. So let's create that. So this line is for the pressed state of the button, and we will have to use that image in this line. And this line is for when the button is focused, it should show another image. But for me, I'm going to use the pressed state of the button here as well. But if you want to use a different image, you can do that here as well. So that would mean you will have to create actually 3 images for one button. But pressed state is enough for me, so I'm going to go with that. And this line is for the normal state of the button. And so now we have created our pressable button for the get started. And now I'm going to create another one for my second button. And this time I'm going to copy and paste this exact same code, and then I will only change the images. This is for the pressed state of the button, so it's for the share pressed state, and this one is also for the shared press button, and the last one is for the default button. Now that we created our drawable buttons, we can just implement it on the image button. But the thing is, we already have a placeholder images for that right now. So we are going to delete them, and then we are going to add our current drawable files that we created just now to our image button. Now I'm going to do a little bit of adjustment on the constraint layout for the image button, because right now it looks like very large buttons and I want a proper size for the screen, of course. Now we can test it. I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.